Welcome to my channel. A ism or noun is a word whose meaning can be understood without the need to combine it with another word. A ism is the name of a person, place, or thing, like Hassan, or Canada, or car. The nouns are divided into two categories: ism nakira, indefinite noun, and ism ma'rifa, a definite noun. Ism nakira, indefinite noun. Ism nakira is a word used to refer to a common and non-specific noun, person, animal, thing, etc. Indefinite nouns will always end with nonation, double dhamma, double fatha, double kasra. Here are a few examples of ism nakira, indefinite noun. Dhubabatun, a fly. Dhubabatun ends in nonation and is non-specific. Behematun also ends in nonation and is non-specific. Rajulun finishes with a nonation and also is non-specific. Mar'atun ends in nonation and is non-specific. Ta'amun ends in nonation and is non-specific. Qalbun ends in nonation and is non-specific. Moving on to the ism ma'rifa, definite noun. The ism ma'rifa or definite noun is a proper name given to a person, animal, or thing. The indefinite noun or ism nakira can be changed to a definite noun, ism ma'rifa, by adding the prefix al and by dropping the nonation or tanween. To change a definite noun to an indefinite noun, we drop the al and add a tanween at the end. Al-himaru, himarun. Al-kalbu, kalbun. Al-waladu, waladun. Al-bintu, bintun. Al-asalu, asalun. Al-baydu, baydun. Alright, now pause the video and see if you can figure out which nouns are ism nakira or ism ma'rifa. The answers will be provided in the next slide. Alright, so here are the answers. Starting with the indefinite nouns. Himara is an indefinite noun because it does not start with an L and it ends in a double dhamma. Kalbun is an indefinite noun because it does not start with an L and it ends in a double dhamma. Waladun is an indefinite noun because it does not start with an L and it ends in a double dhamma. And the same goes for the rest of them. Alright, for a fun pop-up quiz, pause the video and see if you can remember what each of these words mean. Alright, so here are the answers. Starting from right to left. Himarun, a donkey. Misrun, Egypt. Kalbun, a dog. Yamanun, Yemen. Waladun, a boy. Bintun, a girl. Dhubabatun, a fly. Al-asalu, the honey. Behematun, a beast. Al-baydu, the eggs. Rajulun, a man. Waladun, the boy. Al-baydu, the eggs. Qalbun, a heart.